Hi guys, this is Nickx and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, mag-recreate ako ng brown sugar milk tea inspired makeup look. So if you want to know how to do my brown sugar milk tea inspired makeup look, just keep on watching. For the foundation, ang gagamitin ko ay O2O liquid foundation in the shade 01 Porcelain. For concealer naman, ang gagamitin ko ay O2O High Coverage Liquid Concealer in the shade 01. Next, magpa-powder na ako. For powder, ang gagamitin ko ay Vice Cosmetics Duo Finish Foundation in the shade Chesa. Next, I will use the Brow Biz Brow Soap for styling my brows. Next, I will gonna use the Focallure Eyebrow Pencil in the shade brown to fill in my brows. For the eyeshadow, I will gonna use two palettes. The first one is the Everbilena Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. For the base color, I will use the brown colored one and put it all over my lid area. The next palette that I will use is the Laura Geller Eyeshadow Palette. I will use a darker brown shade and put it on my outer crease to the inner crease. Next, I will use a much darker brown shade and put it on the outer V of my eye. Using an angled eyeshadow brush or a fluffy blending brush, brush off the excess for the eyeshadow to be blended naturally. Next, I will put a champagne-colored shimmer on my middle crease. Next, I will put again a dark brown shade between the shimmer and outer V to create a transition between the shimmer to the darker color. Next, I will use the brown shade that I used for the base and put it on my lower lash line. Next, I will use a darker brown shade and put it on the half of my lower lash line. For contouring my face, I will use the Vice Cosmetics Aura Contour in the shade For Sure. For the highlighter, I will use the Vice Cosmetics Aura Glow in the shade Splendid. So, muntik ko nang makalimutang mag-blush. Sorry for that. So, for the blush, I will use the Vice Cosmetics Aura Blush in the shade Title. Before I put on a mascara, I will curl first my lashes. For the mascara, I will use two products. The first one is the Pink Flash Oh My Wink Night Mascara. For my lower lash line, I will use the Focallure Microbrush Fiber Filled Mascara. And finally, for the last part, for my lips, I will use the Maybelline Sensational Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Chili Nude. That's all for my makeup look, so I will just finalize my look and I will be back. And that's all for today's video. Hope you like my Milktea inspired makeup look. Before I end this video, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. Bye!